Thank you. Delicious macos.
Yeah. Mine is like they're so damn good. Every food, they're like so like. I don't know about you, but like every food in our seminar. ये मैं हूँ, मेरी दोस्त है, यहाँ पेस्ट्रीज है और यहाँ पौड़ी हो रही है.
Okay, Momina, which pastry wins?
This baby, this beautiful.
This beautiful.
Look at this
baby.
flaky goodness. It is a chocolate and
Almond.
Croissant? It's not a croissant. It's a croissant. It's just so good. They're like layers, and you're gonna see me take a bite of it.
Ooh. I need you to hear this.
That's some good pastry place.
Mmm. Mmm.
And it's gonna have a subtitle in there. Change my life.
died, so I'm gonna take you over what we're making for lunch, how we're making it, and how you can make it at home. Good quality bread. Good quality sourdough, ciabatta, baguette, whatever you want. Pesto, any sort of pesto works. You don't have to use the pesto, but I like pesto. So I'm gonna be using some green pesto. Wafer thin chicken slices. You can use K&Ns, you can use any sort of cold cuts, any sort of anything. I don't want to cook chicken. I'm happy with cold cuts, so that's what I'm doing. Rocket, my favorite. You know how much I love her. Cheese. You can't have a sandwich without cheese, can you? An avocado. Thanks. Healthy fats, all of that good stuff will keep me full for long. Red pepper, hummus, and turkey bacon. I love turkey bacon. I love turkey bacon. Gives you a nice crunch in the sandwich. We'll add a little bit more protein with the chickies. Let's make it. Putting in a little bit of butter just to get the bacon going. While my pan heats up, we're gonna prep the rest. Bread knife. Bread. Pan hot. Bacon in. First thing. Okay, bacon is out. This pan is still going. It's a bit too high. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit of butter, and then we're gonna toast the bread in here. Will this fit now? It doesn't fit. This is a bit annoying. I didn't foresee this. If you're making this, use the bigger pan. Kind of crispy, but it could definitely be better on the sides. YOLO, we move. I bought this garlic and herb mayo the other day. Some mayo. I don't know why people call it mayo when it's literally mayo. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna just scoop all that out. What are we doing? Ooh, you're doing great actually. I'm so proud of you. Some salt. Garlic grands. Hot honey. Cool. Avocado. Done. Next layer, I'm adding some pesto. This is completely up to you. You don't have to follow the way I'm doing it. But this is how I like to do it. Then on top of that, we go chicken. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pieces of chicken on this. The other piece is toasted. And on that goes my avocado. So we had both sides of our sandwich going. I think on top of this go our bacons. But to make the bacon stick, I'm gonna use some of this hummus. He is yelling outside. Can you hear him? I can hear him. He's like yelling. Red pepper hummus. How do I spread this on? The bottom got mayo, pesto, then a layer of chicken, red pepper hummus. This one just has avocado and the top bun. On top of this, we are now gonna crush up our bacons and put that on top. The reason that I'm tearing the bacon up is so that it's easier to bite into. I want like a piece of bacon in like every bite, okay? And the only effective way to do that is to be tedious and just stick it on. I could have just stuck it on top of the chicken, but honestly, it wasn't gonna work. I think on the side, we're also gonna do some red pepper hummus, because why the fuck not? This is my sandwich. And now this baby, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of cheese on, and then that's going back in my pan, and I'm just gonna steam it for like a hot second. Okay, this chicken is gonna go off in like a day, and I don't think I'm gonna eat it, so I'm just gonna put more on as another layer. It's gonna go off in 2 days, and I don't want to be wasteful. Then again, one more layer, because I'm crazy, I'm out of my mind, and I'm also very hungry right now. So I found a bigger pan. I'm an idiot. Okay, this is how it's looking before we toast it. Looks delicious, looks amazing. Picked up, straight in the pan, diagonally, but this might work. A little bit of water right in there. I'm gonna cover this, let that steam. It should melt. Back over here, we are now gonna finish the last part, which is the rocket. So I'm just gonna put it inside this container because I don't want to get any more plates dirty than I have. Tiny bit of dressing. I'm gonna put on top. Only a smidge, okay? Let's toss. 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 Oh, that is melting. Something's happening. Maybe we need some more water? Oh, that's better. Look at that. Cheese melted. Everything is ready. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is take some of my dressed rocket and put that on top of my melty cheese. Completely dressed rocket. Delicious. This bad boy. On top. Look at her. She looks beautiful. That's a sandwich, bitch. That is a sandwich. Oh my god, get out. Are we seeing this? Oh my fucking god. Look at that sandwich. Look at the grill marks. Look at the amazing. Look at that. Look at that. You know I'm getting serious when my hair goes up. Cheers. What the fuck? I wish I was joking, but you can literally taste every single part of that sandwich. I can taste the pesto on the bottom. I can taste the chicken, the smokiness from the turkey bacon, the creaminess from the avocado, the little like kick from like the red pepper hummus. I could have put a little bit more hummus on, but then I think the sandwich might have become too wet. So if you don't have avocados, maybe double your hummus. More than I did. The pepperiness and the crunch from the rocket. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this now because I make the sandwich. Please. Please. Yum.